Eddie, what are you doing today?
Eating my way through the alphabet.
We're eating our way through the alphabet, and today is going to be our first video. And what's our letter today?
A.
A. And what are we making?
Apple pie dumplings.
Apple pie dumplings. So this is a very easy, kid-friendly recipe, and it only has 2 ingredients. Or is that you eating your way through the alphabet? So we're gonna do all of the letters of the alphabet, and today's letter A. So let's go ahead and get started and get out all of the stuff that we need to make our easy apple pie dumplings.
Yeah.
And what do we have in front of you?
I forgot.
So our 2 ingredients is crescent rolls and apple pie filling.
I don't have to look at the picture.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get out our bowls and start mixing and get everything started. We got our apple pie filling open. And Eddie's gonna go ahead and dump it into the bowl.
It's not hot. Wait, it's not coming. Whoa!
Alrighty, so now that we got that all into the bowl, I'll get the rest of that out. And then so what we're gonna do next is get our crescent rolls open.
Hey, stop rolling back. That's rolling.
So Eddie has his kid knife, which is a plastic knife with a serrated edge, and he's gonna take the crescent dough and he is going to cut it in half. Right here, in half. Good job. And then he's going to cut this one in half this way. One in half the same.
A different way.
Yeah, so basically what we're doing is we're going to cut these into little pieces, and once we get it all cut up into little pieces, so once we get these all cut up into little squares, we're going to throw them in our bowl with our apple pie filling. Let's go ahead and let me help you finish this.
Do I all just leave them there?
Nope. So you are going to go ahead and get those pieces and throw them into our apple pie filling.
I got it. Super fast beat.
Alright, so now that you have it all in there, you're going to go ahead and mix. You're going to stir it up and get all the apple and dough mixed together.
I did super fast beat.
Super fast speed.
So, get down there.
Alright, so you don't want to smush it, you want to stir it. So we'll go ahead and make sure we get it all stirred up and make sure the pieces are all broken. Already got our oven preheating at 375. So once you get this all mixed up, you're going to pour it into your baking dish. Alright, so here's our baking dish that we just coated with non-stick spray. And I will help you if you want to. I'll help you hold this if you want to scoop the filling.
No, I don't want to scoop it.
You don't want to scoop it in there?
No,
Like this?
I just don't want to.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get this all done like
Yeah, I'll hold
this.
it.
You're going to hold the big heavy glass bowl? Alrighty. So we get all of our...
This is pretty yummy.
So we get all of our apple pie filling and our dough placed into our baking dish. And you want to try to make sure that the dough is kind of more on top. So it has
Bye.
so it can bake up. We have our pie filling and our dough in our baking dish, and Mom's gonna go ahead and put it in the oven because the oven is hot.
Now we're gonna make our apple pie dumplings for 30-60 minutes.
For 30 minutes, so we're gonna bake the apple pie dumplings for 30 minutes. Don't do it for 60, you'll burn it. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and let that bake, and then once it's done baking, you let it cool. And then we eat it.
Yes!
All right, so let's go ahead and give it some time to bake then. All right, so what do you got in front of you?
The pie.
The apple pie dumplings. All right, so
This side is a whipped cream.
yeah, so this is what it looks like after it has cooled and baked. And we did ours just a little bit longer for 45 minutes. And we did ours just a little bit longer because the dough wasn't cooked all the way through at 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get it on a plate. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it on a plate and serve it up with some whipped cream.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the top off. I know how to take the top off.
Do you?
Oh my gosh! Right! Twist! Hulk string!
Hulk string.
I guess I don't have Hulk string.
All right, so we got some here on our plate. I'll take this out of the way. We'll put that there. All right, so it looks good. So it looks good and it smells good. And let's see. We can get this one from open. Okay.
I was just breathing because I can't open it. I was out of breath.
You're working so hard to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna go ahead and put the whipped cream on? Okay. Alright, so you have your apple pie and your mountain of whipped cream that's fallen over. Let's get you a fork. Let's get you a fork and get into it.
Dip back there. Dip right there. Make sure you get enough whipped cream so it's yummy and my tummy.
Oh my goodness, look at all that whipped cream on your fork. We giving it a thumbs up? Did this apple pie dumplings come out really good? Alright, you got whipped cream all over your mouth.
I did. Tune into our next weather. The weather be. My kids, be subscribed to All About Eddie, and you want more All About Eddie's videos that leave a comment